world, this is What's Up 2190. I'm going to be doing a quick review of this Celestron Cosmos First Scope. This is an excellent tabletop telescope that you can use for easy on-the-go stargazing. Right out of the gate, you can plug any eyepiece you want into it, as long as it fits the eyepiece connector here. It's a Cosmos First Scope, focal length 300 millimeters, 1/4. And I'll put the link to buy this on eBay in the description below. But this is obviously nowhere near as strong as a big rig telescope, and it doesn't have tracking either. But you can easily pack this in a suitcase and take it with you for some stargazing on the go. You know, when I can't really show you any photos because I don't have a camera that works with this telescope. But looking at Jupiter was about the space between my fingers here, and you could clearly see its 4 moons. So, you know, this doesn't have tracking, and it's not a super powerful telescope, but, you know, it is what it is, and it's about $30. So you can easily set this on the table, on the ground, or up on a stand, and take it with you on the go. So this is a good telescope for what it is. I'll put a link in the description. There's a star pointer here. Usually, I took it off, but you can attach a star pointer here. Use these knobs here to focus the telescope. As you can see, it's zooming in and out a little bit right there. And then here's what the inside of the telescope looks like. It also comes with a cap, so you can cover it up. And that's about it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. What's Up 290 signing off.